Hey, it's Dr. Nuesse back with another video in the ongoing saga that is marijuana rescheduling from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3. I made some notes down here. This video is all about what happens next. The DEA just made the announcement. They have confirmed that they are going to reschedule marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3. What just happened? What does it mean? What are the next steps? When is marijuana going to be a Schedule 3 drug? That's what we're going over in this video. So just a little bit of background really briefly. I've done full videos on this subject, but President Biden made a recommendation to the HHS to review marijuana, see if it should be out of Schedule 1. HHS recommended that it should not be Schedule 1, it should be Schedule 3. That was several months ago, and now the DEA just announced that they are agreeing with HHS's recommendation and are going to move marijuana to Schedule 3. So again, check out that other video for more information on that specifically. So now we need to answer the question, marijuana then is going to be a Schedule 3 drug. Can you grow marijuana? Can you legally use marijuana? Can you buy marijuana now in any state, even if it doesn't have medical or recreational laws? Can you be busted for possession of marijuana? All of these types of questions are important because the DEA has confirmed that it's no longer an illegal, strictly illegal substance like heroin. So here are the facts. The facts are that pragmatically, the DEA making that announcement, announcing that they are going to move marijuana out of Schedule 1 and to Schedule 3. Pragmatically, it does absolutely nothing. Basically, it's just confirmation that this process is definitively going to happen. There was a lot of speculation on will the DEA agree with HHS? Will they not agree with HHS? The DEA historically has been very resistant to moving marijuana away from being the most restricted type of drug in this country. You can speculate all you want on their rationale and reasoning for that, but pragmatically nothing has changed as of this date. So with that being said, if you do have an upcoming drug test and you are concerned about passing for marijuana, number one, home drug test. It's the best way to know if you're going to pass. Use the home drug test that I have listed in the description box below. And number two, visit exploroacademy.com. It is your resource for how to be best prepared if you've got an upcoming drug test and you are concerned about marijuana. I will leave both links in the description box below. So what happens now? So now that the DEA has confirmed they are going to reschedule, what now happens? So now what happens is that a rule-making process is initiated per the Controlled Substances Act. And this will flesh out all of the details. There's a lot of details and possibly conflicts with things like state laws that need to be fleshed out in order for this to become a actual practical law, a useful practical law. So that process will now get started relatively in a short period of time, but this process also comes with a 2-month long public comment period. So once they have the law in place, how the government feels like this should go, there's a 2-month period of time where the public can then comment on the law and give feedback on what they like, what they don't like, what they think needs to be changed. So that is going to be at least a 2-month long process. And then the rule will finally be heard by a judge who could initiate another hearing on the rule itself. So that could extend the time period as well. So just to be crystal clear, nothing has changed just by the announcement. No laws have changed. It starts the process of the law changing. So here is my estimation for what is going to happen when marijuana will actually be a Schedule 3 substance, along with other prescription drugs. You can speculate again if this is coincidence or not, but I think it's going to happen right before the election, or maybe a month or two before the election. If I had to guess, my guess would be sometime in September, we will actually have a finalized law and marijuana moved from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3. All right, so as always, updates are going to be coming as soon as I get any new information. Please stay subscribed to this channel because with YouTube, it is very difficult to search for marijuana-related content because they are cracking down and removing a lot of videos that have marijuana in the title or the description or things like that. So if you stay subscribed, you'll never miss an update video. All right, until next time, everybody, stay safe.